So I'm here today to talk about modern management of incontinence. So just to give you a little bit of background about myself, because I'm a research psychologist, and much of the work I've done was done a few years ago, actually, when working on a project called Evidem, and part of the continence study was called Evidem-C. So just give you some of that information here. We have the PI for the study, Professor Steve Iliff, in the audience. So just before before I start talking much more about incontinence from a sort of psychological, more psychological perspective, I just want to think, just to recap really, and I'm sure many of you already know these things, but it's just a refresher really about the impact that incontinence can have on people, and particularly older people. So we know it's a major concern for older people.